The Hyper Crimson Neptune Green Nike Sport Loop from Apple. That's a long name, blame Nike. It came out this year along with a variety of other seasonal Nike colors, still available today for a size for every Apple Watch generation. Do note that this season's color cycle is almost over, so they might be pulling this color soon. I'll be giving you my honest review, including matching watch faces, practicality, and what to wear with it to help you see if it works for you or not. Give it a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's open it. The color is a mix of dark and light greens with an orange similar to papaya. This will look really good with a gold Apple Watch. It's the only new Nike Sport Loop that doesn't have a black edge. Instead, it's a dark green similar to forest green, but with a tint of blue. It's all earth tones, so it feels real chill. But with a modern twist of the reflective nylon, exclusive to the Nike Sport Loops. It's harder to tell during the day, but when the light shines on it in the dark, it shows even more. That reflection is supposed to keep you safe, like if you're jogging or biking at night. After sliding in both ends, put your hand through the loop and pull to tighten. Then close it with a Velcro end. Quality Velcro allows you to form a perfect, secure fit. Side note, they intentionally match the name of the colors, so it's identical to Nike's color guide. That way you can match the band accurately with Nike's gear. Although unique, it might not be a color for everyone. Like me, who kind of thinks it looks like a rug design, but a nice one. It's actually growing on me. As expected from Apple, it feels and looks premium compared to imitations out there that don't last very long until they start pilling. Feel free to sweat in it because it's a breathable nylon. Just don't get it soaked or else it takes about 20 minutes to dry up. I don't mind it, but some people might. There's actually a good variety of matching watch faces. Once you have a Nike Apple Watch, you won't find exact color matching, but you can get pretty close. Just visually choose any of the several colors on the Sport Loop. I like bringing out the orange and how it looks gold in some lighting. For this, my favorite watch face is numerals mono, and infograph is my second choice. But you can never go wrong with the classic watch faces. Animated ones also look good. That fire animation looks perfect. It's a sport loop, so it's great with activewear. And it works with casual, so you could basically wear it all day. Just don't wear it with your work suit or anything formal, and you're good. It looks like a light gray from afar, kind of like other Nike Sport Loops this season. Hopefully Apple makes more variety for Nike bands next time around. It did match a decent amount of colors. Dark green sometimes works with navy. I did enjoy this with a lot of dark colors, as well as light and earth tones. In conclusion, even though it looks like a rug design to me, I ended up liking it more and more as it did grow on me. It's good to switch to for a more relaxed variety. But I'm not making it my default band. Is there anyone else like me ready for a new type of sport band that isn't a sport loop? Feel free to vent in the comments below. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Our next goal is 400 subscribers, so thanks for your support so far. I'll see you in the next one.